Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan virtually laid foundation stone for hostel construction in several schools across Manipur under central government initiatives Dharti Aba Janjatiya Gram Utkarsh Abhiyan DAJGUA and Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyaya Maha Abhiyan PM Janman. As part of the initiative, Nari Kalyan Vidyalaya located at Dambol Sabalika in Bishnupur district has been selected for hostel construction under the DAJGUA scheme with an aim to improve access to education and living facilities for students from tribal communities. A virtual foundation stone laying ceremony was held at the school premises organized under the supervision of Directorate of Education S. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur Pujai Langbam expressed gratitude to the Ministry of Education for launching the welfare initiative. Speaking on the occasion, the DC said education is the backbone of progressive society and emphasized the need for continued efforts to strengthen the education system. She encouraged teachers to focus on holistic development, listen to students' concerns and empathy, and guide them with patience rather than reprimanding them for minor mistakes. The event was also attended by Chief Engineer EEW Yumnam Bhochau, ZEO Atom Gunamani, and other officials.